Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Zojirushi rice cooker. First, let's get started with the basic setup. Begin by placing the inner cooking pan securely into the main unit of your rice cooker. It's important to make sure the pan is clean and completely dry before you start. Then, simply plug the power cord firmly into a wall outlet. This ensures your cooker is ready for its first use, setting the stage for perfectly cooked rice every time. Now, let's talk about preparing your rice. Always use the special measuring cup that came with your Zojirushi cooker. It's designed for precise portions. Next, place your measured rice into a separate bowl and wash it thoroughly under cold running water. Continue rinsing and draining until the water appears mostly clear. This step removes excess starch, leading to better texture. Finally, drain the rice very well before transferring it into the inner cooking pan. With your washed rice in the pan, it's time to add water. Fill the pan with water up to the level mark that corresponds to the number of cups of rice you're cooking. For example, if you have 2 cups of rice, fill to the 2 mark. After adding water, close the lid firmly and ensure it's properly sealed. Then, select the correct cooking menu for your specific type of rice, such as white, brown, or sushi rice, using the control panel. Once your settings are chosen, simply press the start button to begin the cooking process. The cooker will automatically switch to keep warm when the rice is done. For the best results, allow the rice to rest on keep warm for an additional 10 to 15 minutes after cooking finishes. This allows the moisture to redistribute evenly. Finally, open the lid and gently fluff the cooked rice with the provided serving spatula before serving. Enjoy your perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.